So I've created an application that's going to be used for tracking tips as an income for either servers, bellhops, valet attendants, etc. Um, Start with a few simple methods: display header, display continue prop, closing screen, opening screen. Um, Also, a basic menu, calling some of the other methods that we're going to be using. Um, I did also create a class called wages um, to help collect the wage information. So we do have the date of the income, uh, tip amount, or the amount in tips, the amount of hours they've worked, their actual wage per hour, and then their income, their total hourly income. Here, um, this this is to actually enter the user's daily income or a specific date's income. All validated. And also a method to update daily, a specific date's income data, done with a for each loop. And pretty much the same as the entering the income of a specific date. Also a display method as well, or a method to display it. Next, I do have to work on sending the data to a SQL database, which is still in the process, as well as retrieving the data from a SQL database. And I was also thinking about possibly, instead of doing it through the console window, doing it through a WinForm. But so far, this is what I have. So add the data, and I have do need to change some of the menu items. Yeah, another one. can add one more. Display, and this is something I'm thinking about changing as well, to display a number of dates. So if the user wants to display a week's worth of dates at a time, but that's something that I have to look into yet. So and so they can also update that information if it was incorrect. Just to double, shows it one more time just to make sure they have the correct one. So it's the say we only made 62. And so that's kind of what I have done so far. Going to sending my data to a file or to a SQL database isn't quite there yet. But hopefully we figure that out tomorrow in class. You said you had mentioned that you'll be showing a few of us that. So hope it's looking good so far.